You know, every summer we hear heartbreaking news about wildfires. Forests burning, wildlife displaced, entire communities at risk. But here's the twist. What if we could spot a wildfire the moment it starts, even before it spreads? So, let me ask you, can artificial intelligence become our lookout in the forest? Today we're diving into a fascinating piece of research that says yes. Welcome back to the R&D Lab by Nanjing, where we turn real engineering research papers into clear, engaging stories. It's called F3 YOLO, a brand new AI model built to detect forest fires faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Now, don't worry about the technical name. What matters is this. F3 YOLO is designed to see flames and smoke in real time, even when they're faint, hidden behind trees, or blurred by haze. Think of it as giving cameras and drones a sharp pair of AI-powered eyes. Here's what makes it special. First, it adapts on the fly. If it sees smoke, it tunes itself differently than if it sees flames. Second, it doesn't just look at images like we do. It also reads patterns, almost like listening to the frequency of fire and smoke. Third, it was trimmed and polished to run on small devices, like cameras in watchtowers or drones flying over forests. The beauty is that it works quickly, doesn't need supercomputers, and could give us life-saving alerts in the crucial early minutes of a fire. Imagine a future where entire forests can watch themselves, warning us before sparks turn into disasters. So here's the question I'll leave you with. If AI can now help us fight fires, where else should we let it become our silent guardian? This was the R&D Lab. Visit Nanjing.com to explore the engineering concepts. Thanks for listening, and stay curious.